This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Monday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. As you know, guys, last week the market was just pushing high. So this is NASDAQ. It's 4-hour time frame. You can see that. So if you missed my previous video, my weekly analysis, you can go and watch that. Video I did, I recorded the video yesterday, so it's still fresh. Go check it so that you can understand what's really happening here. On a 4-hour time frame, guys, you can see that we having this nice, very nice support. You can see, sorry, let me change the color. You can see the market was just respecting this area around this support. So that's why I say this is a very nice support, which is very clear to identify, so it's not going to be a difficult thing to see. So you can see the market was just doing something like this. So here we're waiting for something like that again to happen so that we can take the market when it pushes higher, you see. So why? Because we trade with support. My strategy is trend trading. So it means when it's uptrend, I go with uptrend. When it's downtrend, I go with downtrend. So when the market is pushing high like this, it means I only go up. I only buy. If the market is going down, I only sell, something like that. So it's quite simple like that. If I just see the market only few seconds, you can see that this is just going up. I already know that, okay, I'm going to take only buy for this market, you see. So on a bigger time frame, since it's a bigger time frame, let's go and see what we can expect from this area. So since this is a 4-hour time frame, you can see very well here. So I'm going to buy NASDAQ. I'm going to wait for NASDAQ to come around this area. It's like 14,500 around this area here. Yeah, 14,600. So, or if this is not respected, if this area is not respected, I'm going to wait for the market to reach here. Then I can say I can have another buy. But remember, I'm doing that because I have my support here. It means I'm still having a backup here where I can say, since the market is still above my support, it means I'm only going up. I'm only buying only. I'm only going long only. So you can see the first one is I'm thinking that this can respect this area. Why? Because this is an uptrend, guys. If you do lines like this, you will see that the market is actually doing something like this. Let me draw that again. It's something like how the market is moving is something like this. It's a very nice uptrend. The market, let me change the color. The market mostly will do something like this, create something like this, going up, you see. So we get the market around this zones here, around here. We get the market here when the market is going up. So that's why I say around here, it's where I'm going to get the market. If the market comes around here, then it's where I can say I need to buy here. If this is not respected, I'm also having another one here to say this zone. You can see the market respected this level, so it means it's where I'm going to buy. Because actually it's a breakout. If you can draw that line again, actually since this was a higher high, the market broke this, and the market must or needs to come around this area to respect that before it goes up, or maybe around this area. I'm not saying it's a must. Sorry, I'm not saying it's a must, even if I said it's a must, but mostly the market will come here and respect that, or come on the second one and respect that. Since we have this support, we also trading, because sometimes what I've realized is sometimes, or most of the time, the market won't just come around closer to the support. So it means we're going to lose everything that happens here. So for that to not lose that, it means we have to add another strategy, which is what I'm trying to show you here. Once we have this small breakout, we can take it up. Once we have this breakout, we can just try to add up our orders to scale up until the market comes around the support. Then we can take it again, unless if the market is broken. If this support is broken, it's where we can say now is time to sell, you see. But on a bigger picture, actually we're still on a very strong bullish momentum. So even if we break this one, I'm still going to wait and see what we can get. So on 4 hour time frame, I think even if maybe I go to a 2 hour time frame or even an hour, you will see what I am talking about. Yeah, let me remove that again. So you can see what I'm trying to show you here. Now you can see that the market is trying to go lower. Well, I'm waiting for this area to go up. It's 14,005. Let's just say 14,600. Or these are our two zones that we're targeting today. Tomorrow, I think maybe we can have a different overview. But for today, it's what I'm looking at. This area or this area. The market can reach this area and bounce back, or this area and bounce back. So let's go straight to US30 and see what we can get from US30. But before we go to US30, I have a special, guys, which is $25. VIP is just $25. It's one-time fee. We trading oil, gold, currency pairs, US30, all those indices that you know, France 40, Europe 50, those things, US30, NASDAQ, all of them, S&P 500. So on the other group, it's $15. It's a special. Remember, it's $15. It's only US30. It's only US30 and NAS 100 and NASDAQ only. These are only signals, guys. These are only signals. Like unlimited, it's once off $15 US30 and NASDAQ, and $25 when you get the whole package, you see. So let's go straight to US30 and see what we can expect this week, or not this week, let's say today, since we are on a daily time frame. Let's see. So here it's US30, guys. This is 4 hour time frame. You can see I did this zoom out so that you can see. So the market is actually respecting this area and this area, which is resistance and support. So the market is actually doing something like that. So I'm expecting US30 to sell off around this resistance. So the best thing to see that we just have to go to a bit smaller time frame and really see what's really happening, because you can see that the market has been pushing up, and if you see this area is respected, I'm expecting the same thing to happen here. I'm expecting to see another sell-off here before maybe the market can push up. If that doesn't happen, maybe we will see a breakout before we can see the market is about to go up. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame. Let's see that. Yeah, so we are on an hour. Remember, this is our resistance here. This zone is a resistance. So for us to say now it's time to buy, it means we have to wait for this resistance to be broken. Then we can say we can wait for a retest. Then we will see if the market is going to go up. But now we are on this wedge here. This wedge, this is a support. I hope you can see that this is a support, guys. The market has been respecting this this support for some time now, even if maybe it's not that long, but you can see that the market is respecting that, you see. So for us to sell, it means we have to see the market breaking this area, maybe a retest, and see the market going lower, you see. But if we don't see that, it means we just going to wait. Even if we see that this is very close to resistance, we know most of the time when the market reaches the resistance, sell off, sell off, sell off. So, but we have to wait. We just don't have to jump on the market now and then. And I see that the market is very close to this support. Maybe we'll see that breakout happening. If that happens, I'll be happy because I've been waiting for that. Then I will see the market maybe selling off. If that doesn't happen, we will also wait for the market to go up. So maybe at the moment the market will just consolidate around this wedge until we see some nice breakouts, or maybe the support broken. Then where we can say now it's time to go lower to sell, you see. But at the moment I just waiting for that. I can't take any decision at the moment, but I'm just waiting for this support to be broken or this resistance to be broken. Then I can say it's a buy or it's a sell. So if you forgot to smash that subscribe button, just smash the subscribe button. So if you forget to smash that subscribe button, you know what to do. Subscribe, let's grow the channel so that you don't miss some great stuff. So on US30, I hope maybe you understand everything. Okay, so let's go straight to gold and see what's really happening. Gold, come on. So here it's gold, guys. So we have to go to a bit bigger. Or let me just show you on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, guys, maybe you already seen that. Actually, let me do this. On a bigger time frame, you can see that we are on this very strong bearish momentum or downtrend. Even if now gold is trying to go up, but on a bigger picture you can see that the market was just going lower and lower. Even if it comes back going lower, comes back and going lower. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame and see what we can expect from gold. So here on gold we can see that we have this resistance. You can see the resistance here, but we are inside a downtrend momentum. We're having this resistance here. It seems like if maybe this, if it's respected, we can see the market going lower again, because the market has been respecting this resistance for some time now. So it means if it's also respected, as always, we can see the market going lower. If not, let me change the time frame maybe to 2 hours. Yeah, let's do something like this. I want to show you that so that let's see our double lines. Let's use our double lines. So this is our double lines. Now you can see that. So what happens here is we had this area for some time. So even now the market is reaching this area. It means we can see maybe another sell-off. So on a daily time frame, you saw that the market is actually going low, but maybe when you are on a smaller time frame, you can't see that. But you saw that on a daily time frame, I showed you that. So it means if this area is respected, we can see the market selling off. But there's possibility that the market can keep going up, breaking this resistance. Maybe we'll wait for a retest. Maybe we can see what we can do. But on a bigger time frame, it shows us that the market was actually going lower. So you can see the market is actually having this nice bearish, nice bullish momentum. So and we reached our resistance. So if we break that, maybe we can see what we can do. Maybe tomorrow or later on we can see what we can do. So we really killed it here. I think it was on Friday. It was NFP, so we also killed that. If you want to check my results, guys, everything that I do, check my description. There is a Telegram group that I send most of the stuff there. So you can see that obviously we had this nice move and which is not surprising because it's not the first one. So it means we can also see something like this again. But if that doesn't happen, maybe we'll see the market breaking out. Then we can say now maybe the market is changing the direction. Maybe the market is pushing up again. But at the moment, we are still on that bearish momentum. We can see the market maybe playing out like this, but we just have to do the analysis. But what I'm going to do here with the strategy, let me go to an hour time frame so that I will show you my strategy when I want to enter. You see something like this. So it means if you see something like this, you can see this is a support which was respected. So for you to sell, wait for the market to break this area. Why? Because this area has been respected for some time. Even now, if you want to buy, wait for this area to be broken because it's been respected for some time. Then from here you can buy around here, you can sell around here. So that way it's much easier for you, so that you don't just sell everywhere, you don't just buy everywhere. You see, you don't just sell because you are on resistance, or we just don't buy because you are on support. We wait for that to be broken, then we can say now we're selling. But here on the middle, yes, we will rely on the support and say when it reaches here, we're going to buy. But when we reach this stage, it's where we're going to wait for a breakout, because this is a nice wedge. You can see the market is squeezing. It can break on top or you can break here. So anything can happen. So if you forget to smash the subscribe button, you know what to do. Just smash it, like it, and share with friends. Check the description if you want to be in the group. I told you that it's $15 to join my team for NASDAQ and US30 only. To join VIP, which we cover so many things, so many indices and currency pairs in there, it's only $25. For now, I'm going to change that. It's $25, not $250. $25 for now. So this price is actually from $100. So sooner we're going to change it to $100 again, so that I just want to add people so that they can eat with me, so that they can see what I'm really talking about when I do the analysis every day like this. Thank you for watching. This is Kenzo, Extra Hot Forex. Bow.